Hey, are you a student or a professional looking forward to landing a job in digital marketing? Are you rejected from interview? Have you tried many times and is still unable to crack digital marketing interview? Don't worry, after watching this video, you will be able to crack any digital marketing interview. So if you are interested, keep watching. Hello friends, I am Muqtadir Ahmad Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you are watching Digital Baijan. So let's get started. Before jumping into the main topic, I want to make one request. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share it with your friends who wanted to learn free digital marketing and blogging course. Now let's move into our main topic, digital marketing interview. All the digital marketing interviews revolve around only three questions: what you have learned, what you have implemented, and what are the results. Let's see all of these questions one by one. So the first question is what you have learned. In this question, company wants to know what exactly you have learned. They don't care about where do you learn from. Many students and professionals show their certification that they have learned from Google. They are Google certified from HubSpot or from YouTube, from Udemy and other major institutes. But do you think this certification really matters? What matters is what you have actually learned. Even after holding these kind of certification, a Google certification, HubSpot and other major institute certification, they are unable to answer a few basic questions. What is CPC? What is Google algorithm? What is backlinks? What is remarketing campaign? And other few basic questions. So if you are not able to answer these basic questions, why would any company hire you? So it doesn't matter how much certification you have hold. What matters is what you have actually learned. So stop collecting these pieces of paper and focus on your skills. Now second question is what you have implemented. Many freshers and experience holder just watch a video on YouTube or read a blog and they think they will know everything. But they didn't implement any of these steps. If you are just watching and reading blogs, then you are just an audience. You are not a digital marketer. If you want to really crack any of the interview, you need to show practical work. If you are a fresher, make a small blog, write 2-3 articles and rank for only one or two keywords. It doesn't matter whether you rank for first page or third page or 10th page. Just show whatever you have implemented. If you're an experienced one, show your previous results, funnels, your strategies, and all the other stuff. Make sure that you create your own portfolio. Whatever work you have done, whether you have written a small article, whether you have done a freelancing work or any other small work, just make a portfolio of all of this and be present on internet. Create your professional profile whether on Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn or any other platforms. Just make your professional profile and optimize it according to your field. Social media has a great power, so utilize it. You will definitely land a job if you focus on only social media also. Let's move into our third question. What are your results? If you are a fresher, you will be thinking, I don't have anything to show. Just create your blog, write 2-3 articles, rank those keywords and show all of your progress. You don't need to be on first page of the Google to land a job. Just show your progress. But if you are an experienced one and if you want to land a job in SEO, then you need to show your previous work. What keywords are you working for and how much progress you have achieved. If you are working with e-commerce site, what are your strategies, how much revenue you have generated and all the other stuff related to your results. So if you are an experienced one, you need to show all of this stuff. So be ready with all this stuff. There are few major things that you need to consider before going into the interview. Make an audit report. Whatever company you are targeting, make an audit report of that company and show them what are the negative points and what are the positive points. Focus more on solution of negative points. Tell them the strategies how you can improve these negative points. Analyze their competitors. Tell them what these competitors are doing and how they are gaining results and what are the things that we can implement to improve our ranking and other factors. Be specialized in one field. In digital marketing field, there are a lot of general digital marketers. If you want to land a job quickly, be specialized in only one field. Don't be general digital marketer. Be it Facebook ads, be it Google ads or SEO. Just choose one specific field and definitely you will land a job quickly. Companies are looking for an expert, not a general digital marketer. Avoid fancy words like growth hacking or double the ROI or other stuff. Don't use these kind of words. These are just theoretical ones. You need to show your practical work. The most important thing for digital marketer is digital marketing tools. Tell them what tools you have been using while you are implementing these things. It is not necessary that you are using a paid tools. If you are using a paid tool, it is great. Don't tell them you are just using analytics and webmaster. Instead, show them the alternative of these tools. Like tell them I use webmaster and sanitycheck.io to resolve my website errors. There is one last thing, don't forget to take a feedback. After giving an interview, just tell them to give a feedback for your interview. Just say a sentence like, if I am selected, I will give my 100% definitely. But if I am not selected, it's completely okay. I just need a feedback so that I can improve in my future. This small sentence will definitely help you land a job. So hope you will find it useful and consider all these points. If you have any doubt in digital marketing or if you want to ask few questions, comment below or you can ding me on Instagram. I am super active there. I will definitely reply all of you. Share your interview experience in our community to help other job seekers. The link is in the description. So if you like the video, do subscribe and press a bell icon. And don't forget to share with your friends who wanted to land a job in digital marketing. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.